We're here right now in Lusail, celebrating our Christmas. Merry Christmas, everybody!
Oh.
1, 2, 3.
Go!
Happy holiday, everyone! This what? We are here right now in Lusail celebrating the holiday.
Celebrating 80th birthday! Nag-giftis ako. Ala, yun. Magbabike ka kailangan. May bike.
Match your clothes.
Waiting chair. Ano ba? Ano ba talaga siya?
Nasa ibang invention na tayo.
Another world. Ganda. 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 Ganda.
Oo, ganda nga.
Suspect, suspect. Suspect, suspect. Naka-stockings lang siya, kala mo hindi malamig.
Suspect.
He's Habibti here, no?
Sister?
He's gay.
Very ano naman tayo dito.
Really? Okay. Which one? Which restaurant? Which one? Food truck? All left? Okay.
Ay,
Very
very ano naman tayo dito.
With a tour, guys. Tourist Mishala.
You want food?
No, really.
After finish, I'm coming again.
Thank you.
So good, ah.
Dito. So nice here.
Nakikita yung price kung magkano.
Build with burger. Beef. Build with burger yun. Akala ko ba tayo magpapabili ka nun?
Oo.
At least may yung may parang ham.
Ay, ang cute.
Fridge sa
Ang mga batang gala. Our Merry Christmas!
Alam mo yun, nakadampot na ako bago pa natin mapicture.
The very, very Merry Christmas.
Ikaw, B.
It's a jolly, jolly Christmas. And the wonder of the year. O, diba?
Ano yan?
For real.
Girl, hindi kinain mo ko rin na. Hindi siya, parang hindi po ka. Chicken chacho.
Yogurt gargali. May pusa ka na nga pala, no?